Today I got a 2014 Honda Civic. I'm gonna be removing the stereo out. So there's should be two Phillips right here, and then there's should be two more Phillips or 8mm inside there. You gotta pull the whole radio out. So the customer kind of probably started it, and then they realized, well, it's not that easy. So as you can see down here, there's this Phillips right there, and then one over, can't tell, right there. So I'm gonna remove that. After I got that out, I'm gonna take like a Phillips, a flathead or door trim remover. Just pry this out like so. Just go easy on each side, because you don't want to break anything. It might be a little bit hard. Try to go different side. Should be this side. I just don't have, see right there, there's a clip in there, and once you get one out, it should be easy. Just keep moving, and then after that, get that out right there. See, it's just clips, and then you got to look in there. Yeah. Right here, there's another Phillips right there. Two more, one and two right there. Take that out. Just let it drop. And then I'm gonna look underneath there and show you where the 8mm is at. Well, customers already took the 8mm out, so there's one right there. Hold on, there should be one right here, right there, and another one over there. It's kind of hard to show, right there. After you got the two 8mm or Phillips, I'd rather use that of 8mm. Right here, if you guys don't know what 8mm is, right there, I'd say 8mm socket. And then you want to come right here and keep prying that. We're not going to use this mounting, this bracket anymore. It's bezel. And once you get both sides kind of removed, just go on the bottom right here and just pull it out, and then start unplug the wire. I'm gonna kind of show you how to remove it. You see the clip right there? Actually, push button clips, whatever you call them. You push this down and then pull it out. The same as the gray one right there. You want to reach at the end right there, push that and pull it out, and then the rest of them basically almost the same, except see that right here, you gotta push this down and then use another finger or hands to pull it out. I can't do that with one hand, I don't think. Yeah, oh, well, I did it. Push it down and kind of real quick pull it out. This all push down, pull it out, same thing. And there's a side right there, push that side in and then pull it out. After everything is removed, I'm gonna have to take this Phillips right here and put it back over here. And also there's gonna be Phillips right there, all this Phillips. Just take one by one at a time and put it back over here, and use the clip right here and put it all on here. See this radio right here? Let me see if you can see that. See this? It won't fit in here, so I'm gonna have to trim and cut this and put it right back over here. That's the only way it will go in. You will have two options. Either you use a oscillating tool, you use one of the flat one like this, or the half moon looking one like this, or use a blade. If you want to use a blade, you can cut from this side right there and just start do it a couple times. Like, well, this is a bad idea, so you want to put it down like this instead and just keep cutting each side a little bit right there. Make sure it's straight. You don't have to be perfect because you cannot see that, because that will cover that piece. So, but I'm not gonna do that. I just want to show you you can do it a couple times. I'm gonna use my drill oscillating tool. Use one of these. Make it a lot easier when you have the right tool. Don't have to. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a screw right here, I'm gonna screw to it. Or another way you can do it, it does come with these part right here. What you wanna do, you wanna put it like this and screw it, find the right spot right there, and use the screw that's supposed to be coming with it. Oh, actually it's got this metal right there, the bracket right there, same thing. I installed a lot of those. Put on one spot so I don't lose myself. There's a screw right there. Got that screw. And so you could do like this, but that won't work. You have to go like this. Inside. This part goes in the inner side. Like that. There's no electrical stuff up here, so you see, you can look into this hole. There's nothing in there, so you want to watch that. Some stereo might have that issue. You don't want to put it too tight yet. You want to be able to move it a little bit to adjust. You got it like this, and now you're gonna put it back in here. It's a little bit tight now. So what I did, I trimmed this out right there, each end right there and right there, so it go through easier. Push it back over here. I'm trying to get it in so that way it looks prettier, because it go in deeper. You see that? Right there. So now I'm gonna put this right. I gotta figure out which one left and right again. So left is right here. So the left is gonna be over here. And I'm gonna put the screw in. As you can see, it kind of tilt that way. Don't worry about it. Find all my screw. Same thing as over here. Put the screw in. It's gonna tilt to one side, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. One more screw. Now, what you want to do, you want to pull it back and use the screw on both sides, called lock nut. Yeah, and screw that down. Or I got a self-tapper screw. I'm gonna just screw that in right there. Or you can lift this up. You can bend this metal up, so that way you don't have any other issue. But that's what I did. What I'm gonna be doing. Probably notice I got self-tapper screw right here. I'm gonna put something right here to not get the scraped metal in the system. Just use the screw. Right there, pretty simple as that. And come to this side. Make sure it's even, so it don't look like it's crooked. Do the same thing. Like that. Get all the metal out, and that's how it looks. I'll make sure I got it all aligned and soft. And that's it. Now I'm ready to put everything back. So I'm gonna start putting this in. Pick up my phone real quick. Remove this 3. A little bit weird. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. This spot right there, you can see it. I'm gonna move it back over here a little bit. There, and then now the last one, the vent. Air vent. This doesn't have a magnet. Voila. So now you can see I move it around. I don't have anything in there. Now you want to take the clip out. Remove the clip. It's pretty simple. Just take a flathead and push it out one side, and then use your fingernail and pop it out. Oh, it flew up. So watch where everything's gonna be at, and watch your eyes. I got one out. I'm gonna use a different tool that I have. Right here, I'm using this little sharp tool right here. Get it out. There's 2 more to go. I guess 3. I don't know where the rest of them at. So I'll put it back here. 1, 2, and 3. Now everything is done. I'm just gonna work on. I'm gonna take the radio on elsewhere. I'm gonna work on the wiring. The wiring all this the same, so you just plug into the right plug. I mean the harness. The harness I'll be using would be RAP HO7803. RAP HO7803, and it'll be one of these right here. One of that. I'm just gonna match the color through here, all the green, the green, black, white, black, yellow, just attach to all of those. I ran the USB, the 6-pin and the 4-pin. For the USB, the 4-pin is more like just a charging, and this one for Android system. I mean for CarPlay and Android. So I got everything plugged. I'm gonna tape this off a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer, and then put it back in.